there are cultures. Then there is the Luo culture. The culture from where Obama was born. The culture that is Lupita. Yes, the culture that is Daniel Adongo. The only African playing the American football. But do we say? From this culture, we present the first ever Luo Festival. Yes, the Luo Festival, a chance for you to come and experience the Luo culture and lifestyle at Carnival on the 26th and 27th April 2014 from 10 a.m. Live on stage will be Suzanne Owio, Idi Achieng, John Jr., Lady Maureen, Emma Jalamo, Onyi, Papa J, Princess Julie, Osogo Owino, Igwe Banderson, Atomi Sifa, Madanje Perimeter, Kofi Makadori, and many more. Hosted by Jalango, Eric Omondi, Wilbroda, Otoyo, and Owago Niro. There'll be a fashion show by Kenya's best designers. The best Luo delicacies will be in the menu. You don't have to be a Luo to attend. Luo is not a tribe. It is a calling. Entry is 2,000 bob per day or 3,000 bob seasonal ticket. The Luo Festival. You live once. Live well. Sponsored by The Standard Group, Arena Media, Youth Fund, the Nairobi County, and the Carnival.